Alright guys, so I'm here with Hurela once more. This is today's packaging. They've changed over time because initially this wasn't the box, but yeah, nice clean packaging. I got a wig cap, got a goodie bag. So I can see that I got lashes. I got one of these brush. I got one of these the other day and it was so soft, so I really love that. I got a bonnet and I got a patterned elastic band, great for melting the lace of the wig, like for the edges. So inside here as well, I got these. I'm not sure if it's like I could, oh, it's clipping pieces, so I can clip these in to the wig, you know, to give it that vibrant streaked vibe. For today's wig we have a closure, so I have a closure wig here, looking good, you know, standard cap construction, 3 combs in total on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. It's a straight texture, it's lightly plucked in the front, center part vibe, natural 1B color, pretty nice and full, and it's 24 inches long. I'm going to put the density and, you know, do the usual, drop all the specifications down in the description box so you guys can definitely check that out. I'll also drop the direct link to this straight wig down there, so that's how that looks. So let's go ahead and put this on. Alright guys, so what I can say right off the bat, after slipping this wig on, is that I realized how silky straight this wig was, and I'm absolutely pleased with that, because not every day you get a straight wig that doesn't have a lot of flyaways. And you can tell when a straight textured wig is really nice, like when it doesn't have a lot of, well, at least for me and what I've experienced, when it really doesn't have a lot of flyaways, that's a good thing. When it has a lot of flyaways, that means it will get frizzy easier, look drier quicker, and that's not cute. So I love the fact that this came super nice and silky straight right out of the packaging. Now you see, it's a closure wig, and I decided to spray on the adhesive in halves because it makes everything go on a little bit more precise, and I just wanted to take my time and lay it really nice and flat. Not that if you spread it in one go it could really come out the same, but I was just taking my time. So yeah, I used my blow dryer on cool air as usual, and it was, listen, literally, I kid you not, I took like 15 minutes to lay this wig down. It doesn't take a long time when, you know, you practice, and you guys know that I install quite a lot of wigs. Like I install a lot of wigs, you know, on a weekly basis. So I moved on to just doing my swoops. Now if you don't want to do swoops, you don't have to do swoops. So, you know, if that's not your thing, then you could totally skip that part out. But you know, your girl loves to do her swoops every now and, well, a lot, but sometimes when I really am not in the vibe, I have those kind of videos as well where I don't do any form of baby hairs or swoops, and I use my Eco Styler gel to lay it. You know, I've been using this for a while now and I can't complain. It really doesn't have like a negative impact on my wigs at all, on the hairline, even after washing them or anything. So I stick to it. It's quite quick and easy to use, so I use it. So once I was done with that, I moved on to just laying the mid portion, like the top there where the parting is, so that it could lay as flat as possible. So I did get a little glammed, as you can see, and I went in and made the parting a little bit more precise. Now if you want to keep it like how it was before, you could definitely go ahead and do so, but I wanted to highlight it a little bit more. So I move on to just, you know, going over the hair with my flat iron, just so that it could look really nice and straight and sleek. It's just looks super sleek and flowy. So I only had to do this in 2 parts, so it really didn't take me a long time at all to get the wig looking super snatched and sleek. So Shout out to Hurela. The quality on this is feeling really, really good. You saw it was super easy, and nothing new. I mean, working with a straight closure wig can be so easy, and that's what this was. Hurela did it for me. The cap construction, like the wig construction, everything is really nice, so easy. The lace melted down really nicely, and the hair, the movement is really beautiful. You know, it doesn't have like a lot of flyaways. Shedding very minimal, so please make note of that. It is a medium cap. I'm not sure if I mentioned that to you before, and as I said, I'll be sure to put all the specifications and the direct link to the wig in my description box, so do check that out. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Very simple, very to the point. This is like for all the girls that don't want to, you know, have to like do a lot. If you're a beginner, a closure wig is just always good to ease into things if you want to start wearing wigs more and stuff. So you know, it's a go. It's a 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. It looks good, looks really fun. 24 inches, it feels like 25. Okay, so I feel like they did a little brat on the length. But yeah, shout out to Hurela once more for sponsoring today's wig look, today's wig video. Shout out to them. Also guys, if you don't already know, I'm having a whole vlogathon series over on my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. I'll be vlogging next to every day over there, every other day to every day. Okay, so don't want to miss that. Okay, it's gonna be lit, it's gonna be a vibe, you know, it's gonna be amazing. Just go ahead, check it out, subscribe, support your girl. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Ooh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby.